Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO ThinkPad T495, and in this video I will show you how to turn on energy saver on this laptop. So first, you have to right click the battery icon on your status bar, then go to power and sleep settings, then select energy saver, and to enable it manually, you have to switch this toggle to the right. If you want to select the battery level at which the power saving mode will enable, automatically expand this list and select one of the values that you see here. If you select always, your laptop will enable energy saver once you unplug the charging cable from it. And additionally, you can switch this toggle to toggle lowering screen brightness when you're using energy saver. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.